Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a little hair straightening demo with the Vibe hair straightener from Vanity Planet. And this is not your everyday hair straightener because this one actually vibrates and it really just like gets the heat in there, really gets your hair moving, and it just kind of smooths out your hair. So life update, I did get some hair extensions. If you follow me on Instagram, you already knew that. So I have 26-inch tape and hair extensions right now. I'm obsessed. I love them. The only thing is that my natural hair texture is just a little bit different from the extensions ones. So the extensions usually stay straight or wavy, but my hair is naturally like frizzy and curly. This hair has been worn for a little bit. One of the bad things about having hair extensions is that you can't really wash them as often as you would like to. So it has been worn. I just can't wash them yet because the tape is still like setting in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do like a little like blending demo to blend my natural hair, which is this, into all of this using the Vibe hair straightener. So let's just go ahead and get right into it. So here is the straightener itself. It's already plugged in and running. It does have the Vanity Planet logo right here, and it's not vibrating right now. The way that you get it to vibrate is to just pinch it together, and as soon as you hold it together you will hear it vibrate. So listen to this. So as you grip your hair, you're gonna feel that vibration, and that's really gonna be what works into the hair and gets it to stay in place. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take a small section of hair. And if you're into like blending hair extensions and you want your natural hair to blend, the trick is to straighten it in. We don't want to go flat. So especially in the area where your natural hair is like there, you want to just like kind of curve. So I'm straightening and then I'm curving, and then I'm gonna go ahead and flat iron the ends. I'm gonna go ahead and straighten this side off camera, and then I'll be back so you can see how sleek it makes my hair. Alright, so I just went through and straightened this side, and you can see that it's just super glossy, super shiny. Like even the way that moves, it looks so nice. It moves as one piece, and you really can't tell like where my natural hair is and where my hair extensions are because everything is just super glossy. So then on this side I haven't straightened it yet, and you can see like it's just kind of chunky and messy, but I just wanted to show you guys like how amazing this hair straightener is. Kind of addicting. So now I just have to go through and even out my hair and straighten the other side. Like even with that one pass, you just see like how shiny and healthy my hair looks. I just have to go through and do the rest of it. I really feel like this straightener makes my hair look super like glassy and shiny. It's just like unreal how it just like catches the light and it looks so smooth and silky. So that was my demo of the Vibe hair straightener from Vanity Planet. If you guys are interested in getting one for yourself, go ahead and click the link down below. And Vanity Planet was nice enough to give me a discount code, so if you want to use my code, then go ahead and use this code right here and click the link down below to shop right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video.